Have you ever downloaded software and wondered, can I really use this for free or are there hidden strings attached? Welcome to the world of software licenses, the invisible rules that govern what you can and can't do with a program. In this video, we simplify the often confusing terms behind licenses so you can make smarter choices. From freeware that's totally free to use, to open source software that gives you freedom to modify and improve it, and proprietary software that keeps strict control in the hands of the creator, we'll explain what each type means and when you might use them. You'll also learn about shareware, freemium, and more using real-world examples and simple language. Whether you're a student, content creator, developer, or just someone who uses a lot of apps, this quick guide is packed with must-know info. Hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more clear tech explainers, and dive deeper with our full article at exploretoday.blog. Let's decode the digital fine print together.